Britain's temperate rainforests are a globally rare and nationally important habitat. They're home to a rich community of lichens, plants and bryophytes, and they're really important for regulating water quality and for storing carbon, and they also help to buffer local climates. On top of that, these landscapes have been shaped by centuries of human interaction, and they're steeped in a culture rich in folklore and storytelling. Despite all of this, these habitats are threatened. They are threatened by things like climate change, by fragmentation and by land use change. Over the past year, we've been working with the University of Plymouth and the Royal Botanic Gardens Edinburgh in a project that's been funded by DEFRA that we hope will provide evidence to help the expansion of Britain's temperate rainforests. This research project has been split into three main research questions. The first question, led by the University of Plymouth, has aimed to map the current area covered by our rainforest and then help to understand how that might change under future climates. The second research question asked what are the habitat requirements for rainforest indicator species, and are these habitats and niches present in woodland creation sites nearby? The third question asked if we plant or restore a woodland in the temperate rainforest zone, can indicator species start to colonise these woodlands, or are there limitations to how far they are able to disperse through the landscape?
So we'd like to invite you to sign up for our online webinar talking about some of the results of this project. We're going to explore some new mapping, looking at the kind of current and future distribution areas of temperate rainforest. We're going to explain why microclimate and woodland structure are so important, and we're going to think about how you can use this research for the creation and restoration of temperate rainforest. And most importantly, we're going to look at how this work can affect decision making, from woodland creation to woodland management, and how you can target effort under a changing climate.